quickly get on with that car rally that I promised. Pratap Singh Thakur was there. This was a women's rally, and here are the details.
Very excited.
Yes, promises to be fun.
Motoring enthusiasts are multiplying all across the country, and this was apparent at a special women's car rally earlier this month.
All set.
The rally was from Delhi to Jaipur under the aegis of the Federation of Motorsports Clubs of India. It was a large cavalcade with 65 participating vehicles and another 25 support and officials cars. The rally was organized to increase awareness about breast cancer.
I think it's critical that women start looking after themselves, they pay attention to their health. And breast cancer is one such concrete area where women's own intervention can actually give some positive results in terms of prevention and timely detection. So I think it's very important. The rally is doing a great job with that message.
The idea of the rally was to also introduce motorsport to a larger number of women drivers, and it was also more about accuracy rather than sheer speed.
Well, if you see, motorsport as of now all over the world is totally dominated by men, and I believe that is the same set of skills what we men have, the women also have, and this should not be anything that they should say that we are not well. So it's just about making them understand what the sport is all about.
The rally route was charted through Rewari, Alwar, the Sariska National Park and Bhangar. The participants really enjoyed the passage through Sariska since they could forget all about the rally rules and simply take in the forest drive.
The whole stretch was very beautiful. I mean, the part of Sariska, you know, it was very enjoyable. And I think the terrain was not so rough. I think for women, they made it easy for them.
Later, they also got their fair share of the sand dunes, the various hues and colours of Rajasthan, and yes, some rough and tough patches as well. A number of drivers were also supporting another noble cause, that of saving India's national animal, the tiger. That message and their determination saw most drivers and navigators finding their way through the easy and not so easy parts of the rally, but most got through just fine despite some hurdles.
Who do you think is more important, the driver or the navigator?
I think the team is most important.
In rally, navigator, otherwise the driver.
I protest.
Lots of fights on the way.
Did you enjoy? Yeah? Who was driving?
Mama.
And who was navigating?
Papa.
What do you say? Who is more important, the driver or the navigator?
Driver.
I knew that! Driver!
The rally finally culminated at Jaipur after traversing 380 kilometers. And finally, it was Sarka Baheti who won the rally along with her navigator S.K. Nandal.
It has to be the perfect coordination between all three and understanding basically. We might go a little wrong here and there, that's different, but I really enjoyed the company of my team.
It opens all your senses actually, and you start realizing the importance of seconds. So it was very nice, it was really exciting.
The whole affair ended on a high note, and despite the heat and the dust and the tough roads, all the beautiful participants say they want more. So they're eagerly awaiting the next opportunity, and they say that they'll surely sign up for more adventure and more fun.